Term. Oh, real quick, there's a fan on, so the audio is going to be inconsistent. Some videos you got to turn the volume up, some videos you got to turn the volume down. Alright, anyway. Oh, polynomials. Term. A term is a number, variable, or product of a number and variable. Number, variable, or the product of a number and variables. Number, variable, or the product of a number and variables. Examples of terms are 3x, 5y to the third power, 5y to the third power, 5y to the third power, 2ab, z. Coefficient. A coefficient is the numeric factor of your term. The numeric factor of your term. Here are the specific coefficients for the terms listed above. Term. Coefficient. 3x, 3. 5y to the third, 5. 2ab, 2. Z, 1. The invisible one. The invisible one. Alright. Constant term. How do you pause this? Constant term. A constant term is a term that contains only a number. Constant term. In other words, there is no variable or constant term. There is no variable. Let me just start over the sentence. In other words, there is no variable in a constant term. Examples of constant terms are 4, 100, and -5. Alright, a term that contains only a number, a term that contains only a number, a term that contains only a number. No variable. 4, 100, -5. No letters. Standard form of a polynomial. Cn(x)n plus c -1 xn -1 plus plus cx plus c 0. Alright. C base n x to the nth plus c base n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 power to the n to the n minus 1 power n minus 1 power plus a whole bunch of stuff plus c base 1 x plus c to the 0. This is just think of this as an infinite number of combinations to put in a algebraic problem. An instant number of combinations in a problem. An instant number of combinations to put in a problem. Instant number of combinations to put them in a problem. Infinite. Not instant. Ignore instant. I meant to say infinite. Infinite combination of things for a problem. Alright, where n is a non-negative integer. In all honesty, I don't really know what this is. I figured that out, but I kind of forgot. But just remember, n is a non-negative integer. I completely forgot what that was for, though. I completely forgot this one. Anyway, c base n is called the leading coefficient. C base n is the leading coefficient. So just think, c base n, you're leading it. C base n is leading this. Lead. And c to the 0, base 0 is a constant. C base 0 is a constant. So you're always going to be c to the 0. You're always going to be You're the leader. Oh, I'm the leader. And you're always going to be 0. I'm always going to be this particular combination. Yeah. Or 0. I'm always going to be this particular combination. Ignore the 0 part, but just know that no matter what goes on in all these numbers can change, but 0 is always, c to the base 0 is always going to be the same. It could be 789, but this number at the end is always going to be the same and stuff. I think that's it for this video. Yo.